What happened? What's going on? Dogman, get up, bro. Bark. Bark. What's wrong, Dogman?
There you go.
We had to get up. Come on. Let's go. What is this? What kind of... Is this? It's gel? You know what? We'll just lay here until... Oh, there's a lost dog. Bark, 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 bark. What are you saying? Wait, I think I have an idea. I have this thing that let me hear of what dogs saying. Bark? Yes, it works. Here, let me put that on you. Alright, can you speak now? Yeah, I can speak. It works! You can finally speak, Dogman. Yeah, basically, because you put the thing on me. True. Anyways, we need to get home. We need a new home. How are we going to find a new home if we're lost? I don't know, but... Wait. What is that? I think I saw a house. Oh, that's nice. But how are we going to get there? I don't know about Dogman. But maybe you got something. Well, actually not like that. And why is that? How can you have something but not something that we need to get home? Well, basically all I have is glasses and some things that always gets criminals. You mean do-gooders? Villains are not do-gooders. Maybe you're right. Maybe we need something like a car. What about a car? I don't know. Like stealing. Stealing is not good, bruh. Well, maybe we can find one. You're out of your mind. We're not gonna steal a car. That's no do-gooder. Well, maybe stealing it from a bad guy. Great idea. All right, now let's go. It better not be a do-gooder. Wait a minute, Petey. What? We're in the same place. Oh. Ugh. How are we supposed to get a car when we're walking in the same place? Whoops. That's it. I want to fight you. Oh, so you want to fight me? Yes, I want to fight you. Let's do it. Let's do it. Right here, right now. Okay, let's go. Ugh. Oh. You might be strong, but it's not gonna hurt me. Oh, that's it. Wait. What? You giving up? No. I just want to tell you. While we're in the car, we're at what? Oh, you're right. Oh, wait, shh. Someone's driving. Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, like, people can
All right, dude. This is our new home. All right, let's go. Whoa. This is the greatest house we ever seen. Let's go in. All right. Wow. That's the greatest house we ever seen. You know what, Dominic? I think I like this place. Yeah, maybe you're right. I'm kind of hungry. Do you have any food? Well, we can see in the kitchen. All right. All right, let's go to the kitchen. I'm kind of hungry too. Alright. Alright, I gotta see if the room's clean. Check. What? Code red! What's going on? Wake up, lazyhead! Boss, can you just give me 5 more minutes? I'm trying to sleep. No, just the 5 more minutes. If you sleep with me, you're fired. Anyways, we don't have time for that. We have time for the troopers. We have to do something. There's troublemaker. There's a code red. A code red? Yes, a code red. Joker system. I'm on it, sir. Why is there a code red? Who are those guys? Who are those guys? I don't know. Wow, get in there. What is this, guys? I don't know. I think I don't know who these guys are. Well, don't just stand there. Get them. I'm on it, sir. Hurry up and make it snappy. Okay, I'm on it. Oh, by the way, boss, what is it? You're giving me paycheck. For what? For yelling at me. Get out! Now go and get those guys! Man, this banana tastes so good. I know, right? Huh? What's that? I don't know. Aha! There you guys! You're not going nowhere! Well, who is this guy? I don't know! Ow! Who is this guy? I don't know! Do something! Don't just stand there! Oh. Ow. Let's go! You're not going nowhere! Let's get out of here and never come back. Yeah, you're right. You're not going nowhere. Oh, my bad. Y'all going nowhere. Let's get out of here. I got you now. Whoa! Stay away. No. I missed. Get off me. Come on, Petey, let's go. I'm coming. Get back here. Oh, got my arm. Oh, no. Where is it? Now let's get back these cars. Alright. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Alright. I shouldn't have lost my baby. Wait, where was I? Oh yeah! Get back here! Alright, I'll be in there. You go drive. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, now I have to go. Get out of here. Just drive like last time! Yeah, do it! What is what? I don't know what you're talking about. That sound goes... Oh wait, I think there's a bomb in it! Aha! Now I got you guys where I wanted! Oh man, what did we do? You'll find out. Alright, got him, boss. Good job. Wait, I remember you guys. Wait, really? Yeah. I think I remember you. Oh my god. It's actually you! Wait, what? You're Dogman and Petey! How did you know? When I was a little kid, I drew a Dogman of him. And when I found there's books made by Captain Underpants. I read the whole entire thing, and now you're real live. Oh my God, I'm a huge fan. Oh, that's cool. Can you release us now? Alright, release him. Alright. Is this what you want me to do, boss? So you want me to release them if you don't want to put them in jail? No, because they're my fans. Well, I'm glad to hear that, boss, but what we're going to do with them? They're going to join our side. Okay, let me go get them. Yeah, you could do that. Oh, hey guys, it's me again, and that's the end of this episode. But I just want to tell you that if we hit 7K subscribers, I will. You know what I'm about to do? I will hold up. If I hit 7K, I will give everyone a shout out and a heart if people likes this video and subscribe, so I can hit 7K. And I'm gonna celebrate. I'm about to shout out everybody, and I mean everybody in this YouTube video. So, good luck.